Part the season 2, nothing you can do. Took me from my shame, nothing you can do. You gave me a brand new name, nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do, nothing you can do. You healed all my disease, nothing you can do. You took death and gave me life, nothing you can do. Healed me and healed my wife, nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do, nothing you can do. Oh, yeah, boy. Hey, Mike, you crazy for this one, man. Rodlin Pierre, what did you do? Rodlin Pierre, see how old Mike